Hello friends, welcome back. This video tells of my trip to Florida with my good friend Nicole. This is our third time going there together, and we always have so much fun. I get so excited seeing all that beautiful water as we land. Finally, after a long travel day, I have arrived at the resort. I'll have to leave in a few minutes to pick up Nicole from the airport. Everything looks so beautiful and green and tropical, so different from the Rocky Mountains. So I'm waiting here in the car at the airport for Nicole to get her luggage and come and join me. It's been a long travel day. I am looking forward to getting on to the fun stuff of vacation. It's pretty though. Probably can't see that. The sunset. Over here there's some water. Lots and lots of water, lots and lots of green. It is Florida after all. It's about 80 degrees, but it doesn't feel too bad. It feels kind of refreshing actually, with the moist air. Jumping to the next morning now, since I did not film our reunion after Nicole came out of the airport. But it was nice. It was great to see each other. We were tired. Took a chill evening. Next morning I'm making my breakfast. Cracking the egg, but oops. Guess what? I dropped a shell into my egg. Morning from Florida. It's a glorious day here. The weather is so nice. We have a nice 2-bedroom suite with a kitchen and a washer and a dryer and a little balcony. So nice.
Yeah, our third. Wow. Our third adventure here.
Yay!
It's so much fun.
It is.
So much fun.
Oh, here comes some more ducks. We spent our first morning in Florida staying around the resort. We were resting up a bit from our travel day and enjoying the water and the birds, the glorious green Florida vegetation. It's a little noisy there because it is a resort and it's right by the highway, but it's very pretty. Here is an anhinga trying its wings. That's funny. Nicole went back to her room to rest a bit, and I kept walking around looking for birds. This bird is called a brown thrasher. It was very tame. It's not moving, even though I'm walking right by it. Nothing says Florida quite like a palm tree. I love these, they're so pretty. I saw a mockingbird and some bunnies. Bunnies look quite different than our little Rocky Mountain bunnies. Our bunnies have longer ears and smaller bodies. These look like very happy, well-fed bunnies. It was fun to see them. I enjoyed watching them having their green grass breakfast. I don't know what kind of flowers these are, but they look fun and tropical. Then I saw 2 bunnies. And the mockingbird again up in the tree. I had managed to bring my nice camera along with me. It took up a lot of space in my teeny tiny travel bag, but it was worth it. I had a lot of fun with it. I didn't always have it with me, so some of these videos are from my cell phone. How was your sandwich?
Solid 9 out of 10.
Wonderful, that's a good rating.
Yeah.
Looks good. Nicole had lunch at the resort cafe while I ate some food I had bought from the grocery store. Then we got ourselves ready to go on our first outing. We had decided to go to a favorite place of ours, Tibet, Butler Nature Preserve. We've gone there all 3 times that we've been in Florida. It's a favorite place of ours because it's close by and it's nature. Little lizard, where did you go? I'm glad we saw one. I was worried.
I know, I'm like, where's all the little lizards?
I always love me a good boardwalk. There's something about walking over them that just feels so fun to me. Nice.
Oh, he went back under.
Mouse. Its little head poked out. It was so cute.
They're not so cute when they're in your
No,
apartment.
not in the house, but out in the wild, they're kind of cute. Actually, they're very cute. But the little mouse did not poke its head out again. Must be frogs. Froggies.
Froggies. Yep. They are dangerous and should not be approached. When I can't see the label.
Sure looks like it could be a bird, but it's standing awfully still. That was cool. A great egret looking for its lunch. It was pretty hot out. We were taking a couple hours walk around, so I needed a snack. I like the Aloha protein bars. Those are my latest favorites.
Hi, honey.
I didn't know what you were looking at for a minute.
It just I stopped short because there's a turtle.
It's so cute.
Hi. Hi, honey. That's what I call my turtle.
Sweetheart and honey, those are appropriate names. Super
You're a
cute.
good boy, aren't you? Or a good girl, I don't know.
I love how it's just kind of splatted there at the side of the path. It must have crawled out of the... Oh, it's going to move. It's coming to greet you. Look at it hurrying over.
Hi, sweetie.
That's adorable.
Sweetheart. Hi, sweetie. Are you alright? You're a good boy.
So cute.
You're such a good boy. You want a pet? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
So cute. It's on a mission.
It's on a mission now.
It's moving. Tortoises and turtles are some of Nicole's favorite animals. She has her own little pet one at home, so she was especially delighted by this sighting. That is appropriate.
You need a photo?
Yeah, trying to. It's moving so quickly. This lively little bird is a blue-gray gnatcatcher. There are a few rescue tortoises at the preserve. This one is having a lunch of salad. They turned the sprinklers on so he wouldn't get so hot. After we got back to the resort, we retired to our respective rooms. I worked on my college assignment. Do my college paper. Then we went out for dinner.
Remember we got that really neat,
Back at the resort again, I went out for another walk. It's a really lovely evening out here. There's a coolish, warmish breeze, if that makes sense. It's warm, but it's cool. We just got back from dinner. We went out to Delmonico's and had some dinner. That was one of Nicole's suggestions. Pretty roses. I'm out for a little stroll afterwards. A red-bellied woodpecker has a hole in this tree. It was fun to watch it go in and out. birds out here this evening. There are egrets and herons and blue jays and cormorants, cedar waxwings and cardinals. It's so fun. It's so beautiful in such a different way than Colorado. I just love it. So nice. We have yet to see any turtles or little lizards at the resort, which is interesting. Well, I spoke too soon. There was a little lizard. Wonderful. I'm so happy. Now we just need to see some turtles in these ponds. And then I'll really be happy. Here is another little lizard. And amongst all the birds, wow, a roseate spoonbill. I have never seen one of these before. I felt just a little guilty because I know my sister Erin would have loved to see it with me. But she was far away in Colorado. So now I've seen lizards and turtles all as well. What a happy thing, a little turtle nose. It's getting dark now, I'm gonna go in soon. It's really nice out. Super nice.
Hi.
Hello.
Did you have a nice walk?
I did. There's a pretty sunset out there right now.